So the main thing that we use for anti-fraud measures from Everflow is the automated reach outs and alert systems inside of Everflow. Again, this makes it a lot easier for our affiliate managers to actually manage the campaigns. They don't have to sit and watch the numbers come in when a new affiliate launches. They can just rely on the system to send them an alert and tell them if something urgent is happening. And this in combination with Anura allows us to see kind of two ends of the spectrum. A, do we see anything strange with the incoming traffic, just like clicking into the system in general? And B, do we see the conversions that are happening? Are they happening on things that Anura is flagging as fraudulent that we need to monitor and watch out for? And when we did the initial launch, we didn't take full advantage of these features and we didn't have any alerts, and it was good. But if you really want to get everything out of using both systems, setting up the alerts is a great way, because then you don't even really have to look at it every day. The system will tell you when there's a problem, and that saves a ton of time.